kita nga mga bana. Si 1, 2, 3. Sige, ito bangay. Okay, sige. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Pangalan na to, mga bana. Okay, again. Dungan ta, sige. 1, 2, 3. And, asawa. You have made a very serious and important decision in choosing to marry each other. Kung sa tantuigan ng kasal. You are entering into a secret covenant as life partners in God. The quality of your marriage will reflect what you put into nurturing this relationship. You have the opportunity to go forward from this day to create a faithful, kind, and tender relationship. We bless you this day. It is up to you to keep the blessing flowing each other each and every day of your lives together. We wish you the wisdom, compassion, and constancy to create a peaceful sanctuary in which you can both grow in love. So, ginigingon ako in the name of Jesus, nga